Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Monster Hunter Stories 3 Twisted Reflection game not launching, crashing startups, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, showing black screen or other issues on Xbox. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to restart the game. For that, select your game from home screen or press menu button on controller and then select quit option. Finally, restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to check internet connection. So for that, open Xbox menu, select settings, choose network settings, click on test network connection, wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. Next solution is to clear persistent storage. This will help to clear the cache data. For that, open settings, choose device and connections, click on Blu-ray, select persistent storage, choose clear persistent storage. Next method is to clear Xbox cache. For that, open settings, click on system, click on storage, then highlight storage device and press Y button on controller for device options. Under it, choose clear system cache. Lastly, confirm it by pressing yes. Next method is to perform power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds. Unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. Next is to check for the game update. So you should make sure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues. So make sure you check if there is any update available. And after updating the game, try to launch it and check. Next method is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated and not running on outdated version. First, open settings on your Xbox, choose system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and then click on it to begin the updating process. Next is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on settings under profile and system. Next, go to account, click on remove accounts. Here choose the account to remove and then select remove option. After that, add the account again. Next method is to check storage. For that, press Xbox button, go to profile and system, click on settings, click on system, click on storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused apps or games to create space and then check if the problem is fixed. If not, next is to reinstall Monster Hunter Stories 3 Twisted Reflection game. For that, press Xbox button controller, move my games and apps, select see all option. Here select Monster Hunter Stories 3 Twisted Reflection game. Press menu button, then select uninstall. After the game is removed, open Monster Hunter Stories 3 Twisted Reflection official website and download the game. Next is to contact support. So lastly, when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about they will better guide what to do, or else they will try to resolve it from their end and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.